involving American Airlines. What are we learning?
We're learning that the headings will continue for passengers taking American Airlines flights. We just got word that tomorrow the airline will cancel 570 flights. Now, that's on top of the 900-some flights they canceled today. And, of course, the day before yesterday, they canceled more than 1,000 flights. But tomorrow, 570 flights. So if you're flying American Airlines, please call ahead, because there will be delays. And of course, they're checking that wire bundling into wheel wells. Well,
all right, thanks, Carol, very much. What a nightmare out there right now. Or let's check in with Lou to see what's coming up right at the top of the hour. Lou, what are you with?
Well, thank you. You won't believe what presidential candidates are doing to sell themselves as populists these days. We'll have complete coverage. Also, a victory for gun owners and our constitutional right. Florida, the latest state to allow employees to carry guns to work. We'll have that special report. And the mayor of Los Angeles is demanding that the federal government stop enforcing U.S. immigration laws. And the mayor's justification for that? Well, he says a crackdown is bad for business and his economy. How about that? A mayor with his priorities just straight as they can be. And thousands of criminal illegal aliens released from prison are on our streets because their home countries refuse to take them back. Even worse, perhaps, the United States government is absolutely powerless to deal with the crisis. Or perhaps they lack the political will to do so. We'll be exploring that. Please join us at the top of the hour for all of that, all today's news, and much more. Wolf, back to you.
See you in a few moments, Lou. Thank you. Chaos in London, Paris, and San Francisco. Sahasian officials handle the remainder of the Olympic Torch Tour. Jack Cafferty will be back with your email. Plus, Mike Huckabee off the campaign trail and into Hollywood. Stay with us. You're in the Situation.
You may not see us, but in the Veolia environment there are 320.
the spade.
Why you playing us for, man? Why you need the registration for anyway? I trying to run our place. I run this guy's place. He's the one with the problem. You were just here watching. We didn't do anything. Hey, shut up. Okay.
Sound like a couple of busted leaf blowers.
I'm trying to ride. Look, man, it's about some of the hood. I don't give a damn what's in the glove compartment.
This thief was stolen, smart ass.
No way.
Well, the VIN number says way. All right? Take Tweedledee and Tweedledum here for a ride. 6 of these rides are out, so now we're looking at
Empezando a tentar a cada gata. Una putada. Tengo un que desaparó una araña. Toma ahí.